Hi, this is Physio Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you why is Telegram people nearby feature won't appear. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. The Telegram messaging platform recently announced that the number of Telegram premium users, namely paid subscribers, has reached 10 million people worldwide. As a form of celebration of this achievement, Telegram launched several new features and gradually removed old features that were considered less relevant or potentially misused. One significant change is the removal of people nearby feature, a feature that was only used by less than 1% of Telegram users. Although the number of users this feature is very small, this feature is often a hotbed for bots and fraudulent activities. Instead, Telegram will introduce a new feature called Business Nearby, which will display a list of verified business around the user. So now you can find people nearby on your Telegram because Telegram has removed that feature from Telegram apps. So that is why is Telegram people nearby disappear from Telegram app. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.